Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Snapseed on your mobile phone. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Play Store. Here, you can see the search bar on the bottom right. Click on it. Now, search Snapseed on the search bar. As you can see, there is an option install beside Snapseed. Click on it to install the app. And once the installation is complete, you can click on open to use the Snapseed app. And just like that, we can download Snapseed on our mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.